morning student. My name is Hemant Naik. I am a science teacher. Today we are going to study about the subject science class 8 chapter number 10 cell and cell organelles. Chapter number 10 cell and cell organelles. In earlier divisions or in earlier standards we have studied about the cell. What is meant by cell? It is a structural and functional unit of body is known as a cell. Today we are going to study about the two types of cells. First one animal cell and second one plant cell. In earlier standard we have studied about one more type of cell, which is eukaryotic type of cell and prokaryotic type of cell. Eukaryotic and prokaryotic type of cell. Eukaryotic type of cell means the cell with true nucleus, and the prokaryotic type of cell means the cell with primitive type of nucleus. So these are two states of cells. First one eukaryotic and prokaryotic. After some periods, these eukaryotic type of cells, they are again divided into two types. First one plant cell and second one animal cell. So let us study about the structure as well as the different cell organelles which are present in case of plant cell as well as the animal cell with the help of a diagram. Let us see. Now I am going to draw a diagram of animal cell. This is the animal cell. And on this side I am going to draw plant cell. If you observe the difference between plant cell and animal cell, the shape of animal cell which is irregular, but in case of plant cell the shape of plant cell is a definite shape, because in case of plant cell there are two types of cell coverings. The outermost covering, which is known as a cell wall, and inner covering, which is also present in case of animal cell, known as a plasma membrane. This is a plasma membrane. Inside the plasma membrane there is a ground substance which is present in case of animal cell as well as the plant cell. Due to presence of this type of ground substance, this structure is known as a plasma membrane, which is known as a cytoplasm, which is a ground substance which is present in case of animal cell as well as plant cell. Then at the center of plant cell and at the center of animal cell there is a globular structure, somewhat globular structure, which is known as a nucleus. It is the controlling unit of all cellular activities takes place in case of animal cell as well as the plant cell. This nucleus, which is bounded by a cell covering, which is known as a nuclear envelope. Inside the nucleus there is a liquid material present which is just like a cytoplasm, known as a nucleoplasm. at the center of nucleus. As like nucleus, inside the nucleus, at the center, there is a one more structure present which control all nuclear activities takes place inside the nucleus known as nucleolus. Around the nucleolus, there are some thread-like structures. These thread-like structures, they are known as chromatin fibers. These are chromatin fibers. At the time of cell division, these chromatin fibers, they get converted into chromosome. Then let us see one more structure which is present in between the plasma membrane as well as the nuclear envelope, which is a tubular structure. This structure is known as endoplasmic reticulum. This is a endoplasmic reticulum. This is a structure which is a globular or tubular in nature, which supports the cell. So this endoplasmic reticulum is again divided. After some time we are discuss about this. This endoplasmic reticulum are of two types. First one, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. It supports the cell structure just like a packaging material. Okay. Then in case of animal cell, there is a structure which is absent in case of plant cell known as lysosome. This lysosome is also known as a suicidal bag of cell. Then in cytoplasm, there are number of small dot-like structure present in case of plant cell as well as animal cell. They are known as ribosomes. These ribosomes, they are also known as protein factories. Okay. Then in case of plant cell as well as in case of animal cell, there are similar structure which is just like a battery box, which is used in our household inverter, then car, then motorcycle, etc., etc. Such type of structure is known as a mitochondria. This is a mitochondria. This mitochondria is also known as a powerhouse of cell. Now there is one more structure which is present in case of plant cell as well as animal cell. This structure firstly observed by Camillo Golgi. That is why this structure is known as a Golgi complex. This is the Golgi complex. Okay. Then this Golgi complex, after Golgi complex, there are some hollow spaces which are present in case of plant cell as well as in case of animal cell. These hollow cells or hollow structures, they are known as vacuoles. Okay. So these are vacuoles. They perform different types of function. Then there is one more structure which is only present in case of plant cell, which is absent in case of animal cell. This structure is known as chloroplast. This structure is known as the kitchen of cell, which is helpful for the photosynthetic activities. With the help of photosynthetic activities, plant they can prepare their own food material, which is in the form of sugar or carbohydrate. Okay, so this is about this cell. These are two types of cells. This is the animal cell, this is a plant cell, and these are some cell organelles which are present in case of animal cell as well as plant cells. Some of the cell organelles they are present in both type of cell, and some of the cell organelle they are present in case of animal cell, like lysosome only present in case of animal cell. Some of the cell organelle which are not present in case of animal cell but present in case of plant cell, like chloroplast. Such type of difference points are present in case of plant cell as well as animal cell. Thank you.